Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. So are you someone who failed in July 21 exams, whether you're CA foundation, inter or final student? Does not matter, this video is for you. Are you feeling like it's the end of the world? Or are you feeling like you're a loser? Or are you feeling like you're not worth it? No. Remember guys, anybody who goes through failure will feel all of this, including me. Anybody who goes through failure, it's part of your life and you have to feel this. Now, at this point, first understand that it's okay to fail. It's not your fault. You gave your best. You gave your best, but it's okay to fail. It's extremely normal at this point. It's normal to break down. It's okay if you want to cry, you can sit down and cry. It's fine. But the question is about what you're going to do after this. Question is about what you're going to do after this. You have two options. You have two options. Before I get to these options, let me just tell you a small story, an important story. Let's take a marathon race, a marathon of let's say 21 kilometers. Some athletes start fast and they finish slowly. Some athletes start slowly and they finish fast, and some other athletes go in a balanced pace throughout the race. So CA course is not 100 meters race to see who finishes first. It's about a mental strength to see who stays throughout the race consistently. If you're even starting slowly, do you have the capability to finish faster? It's as simple as that. One of the ICAA president in the years 1990s cleared CA after 20 plus attempts and he became the president of ICAA. So just see, it's all about never giving up. Now let's come back to what are your two options. Yes, you didn't clear. So what? Now what are your options? One is give up and quit CA and go do something else. That's a choice you can choose to do. Or the second option is to say, okay, it happened. First thing is to see, did I give my 100% effort? Forget ICA, forget the exam difficulty, forget the correction and all of that. Did you give your 100% effort? You can split it into two. Yes, no. If your answer is going to be no, I didn't give my 100% effort, go back and see why, what should I do to give my 100% effort? Go back and again prepare well and write the next exam. Yes, sir, I gave my 100% effort, but I still don't know what went wrong. Take a few days break. Take a few days break, whoever you are, take a few days break, regroup, come back stronger, see what went wrong. First, figure out what went wrong because you cannot repeat the same mistake attempt after attempt. Find out what went wrong. You can come to me, you can come to anyone you know, any senior. We'll definitely help you out. See what went wrong, get better guidance. Again, go back and give your exams with much better preparation. And it's all about not to give up, not to give up. And that's what CA course is about. After you clear CA, the day you clear CA, technically you might be sound, technically everybody is sound, but what makes you is you will become a stronger person. You will become a stronger person mentally. I mean, you'll become stronger mentally, and anything in life, you'll be able to face it. That's what the course is all about. So give your best, and it's okay. It's okay to not feel normal. It's okay to feel bad. It's okay to cry. It's nothing is wrong if you're going to cry. Nobody's going to say anything. It's okay to go through all this. We are all in this together. So any help, anytime you need, you can always reach out to me. So it's okay, guys. Just let a few days get past, and then again you can get back stronger. Thank you.